All right, it's day 136. I got a big Canada Goose hood on myself because it's freezing cold this morning. It is so cold, even the dogs, Ruby and Teddy, had to be bundled up this morning with all the snow. So I remember when I started these videos, I'd get a lot of questions from usually Americans at the beginning of it saying, "Hey, what are you going to do, Eric, if you keep doing this in January?" I was like, well, we are from Canada here, and Canada Goose makes jackets that are warm, but maybe they had a point. It is really freezing this morning. All right, it's 2026 now, day 136, and I want to make a quick clarification. I don't think Bitcoin is going to get taken over in 2026, but something is going to happen. It's very important this year. I think most people think that the big risk for the markets this year is that the future doesn't show up, or inflation, sticky, and all this kind of stuff. But I think the real risk is that the future shows up in partial form. So take Bitcoin. It's not suddenly being governed next year. There's no quantum event. There's no confiscation moment from the government. But I think what is going to happen in 2026 is a subtle shift in how Bitcoin is treated. There are more balance sheets, more structured products, and there's going to be more quiet acceptance of Bitcoin as collateral, not ideology. And that is how assets mature. Narratives come first. Got to switch hands here. Infrastructure comes later. And when something starts behaving like infrastructure, the upside doesn't vanish, but it changes shape. So I don't think 2026 year is going to be a headline kind of market behaving change year for Bitcoin. The surprise isn't going to be Bitcoin's collapse this year, but it might be frustration. So it's the right future, but it's a more slow, controlled curve. So Bitcoin doesn't lose value when it matures, but it loses innocence, and markets often misprice that kind of transition. So it's the same habits in 2026. Clear eyes, even if you can't see it through the hood.